Hello and welcome to video number 4 of PRAMS hands-on series. In this video we will look at the third performance profile. So if I click on performance profile of the program viability here, you will have a new drop-down menu to select the programs that you would like to study. So in this case I will select the PS in mechanical engineering as a demo. Under the performance indicators, there are 6 tabs. First tab is about accreditation status, and it shows the status of the CE accreditation and professional accreditation, or sometimes we say that it is international programmatic accreditation. For CE accreditation, the program is accredited. Last review was January 19 and next review will be in January 24. For professional accreditations, the program is also accredited. It is accredited by ABIT. Last review was in 2016 and you will have next review very soon in 2022. For some programs, you will find here under accreditations that the program is not accredited, and under eligibility, say it is not eligible, and it is not eligible because the program didn't identify any international agency to accredit the program yet. Some other program, you will find it is not accredited, but under eligibility it is yes. In this case, the program has to provide some explanation why the program is not accredited yet and what is the plan for the program to get accredited in the near future, since the accreditation by international agency is a requirement by the university and the Ministry of Higher Education. Second tab here is enrollment and attrition. Here it shows the enrollment for male and female. For last spring, the enrollment for the program was 148 male and 261 female. And if you look here, the comparison between the program, the college average, and the 25 percentile and 75 percentile of the university. For last spring, the enrollment of the program is 409 students. The college average is 271. The university 75 percentile is 257 and 25 percentile is 42. So the program enrollment is way above the 75 percentile of the university. So the program is very healthy. For fall-to-fall retention and attrition, we check the enrollment of the program in fall, and we check if the same group of students are still continuing with the program in the next fall or have dropped out. For the program here, you can see that retention is 100% in 16-17, 99% in 17-18, and 98% in 18-19. For the college average is 97%, then going down to 96%, 96%. For the attrition and retention, if you add them, is 100%. So the attrition for the program in 16-17 was 0, attrition in 17-18 was 1%, and attrition in 18-19 is 2%. And the college average is 3%, 4%, and 4%. Going to graduation and employment. Here we have 2 types of graduation and enrollment. First one is cohort graduation. In cohort graduation rate, we start with a cohort and see the student after 1.5 the time of the program and see how many of them have graduated. In this case, for the program, we look at the 12-13, 24 female students have graduated and 58 male students have graduated. And for cohort 13-14, 37 female and 37 male. For cohort 14-15, 29 female and 37 male. And if you look at the rate here, so the 24 female students graduated for cohort 12-13, they are the 92%. So the 24 female students represents 92% of the female admitted in 12-13. For the 58 male, it is 81%. For the 37 here, it is 90% for female and 80% for male. And here for the graduation rate, you can see that the graduation rate of the program is 84% for 12-13, 85% for 13-14, and 85% for 14-15. The average of the university is 88. The average of the college is 88% 12-13, 84% 13-14, and 87% for 14-15. Another type to calculate the graduation, we calculate how many students have graduated in a certain year, and this could include students from different cohorts. So for last year, 64 students have graduated from the program compared to 54 students for the college, and for 26 students is 75 percentile for the university, and 15 students is 25 percentile for the university. Still, you can see that the program is way above the 75 percentile of the university and also above the average of the college. The maximum here, maximum number of students graduated was in 17-18. The program graduated 88 students, almost double the college average and almost triple the 75 percentile of the university. Here another measure is median time to graduation, how many years the student takes in order to graduate, the median value. And for the program, the median is 5 year, 5 year, 5.5 year, and 5.3 years. And for the college is 5.3, 5.2, 5.2, 5.4. And we shouldn't compare with university percentile, because most of the program offered by the university is 4 years. And here we're talking about mechanical engineering, and the mechanical engineering is 5 years. For sure, the median time to graduate for a student in mechanical engineering or engineering in general will be higher than the 75 percentile and 25 percentile for the university. Employment rate, here we see that the employment information of the student as provided by ADIC. It shows that the number of students employed after 9 months of graduation. So in here it says that for the student graduated from mechanical engineering in 14-15, after 9 months of graduation, 31 of them are employed and 10 unemployed. For employment rate, you can see the employment rate was 76%, went down to 50%, went up again to 65%, and then went down to 40%, but still above or at the 75 percentile of the university and above the college average. Next tab is attempt and earned credit hours. Here we show a histogram of the number of credit hour attempt and earned by student. Here is the number of students and here is the number of credit hours. You can see that the attempt is the red one. So the majority of the student attempt 15 credit hours in fall 28. So 90 students attempt 15 credit hours and followed by 14 credit hours. You have 77 students attempt 14 credit hours, and the green one here shows the actual earned. So if you have 90 students attempt 15 credit hours, 76 of them receives 15 credit hours. Down here we show you the average. So here is the histogram. Here we show the average. So on average, how many credit hours the student have attempt. In last spring, the average number of credit hours registered by student is 13 credit hours, and for the college the average was 13.4. And the actual number of credit hours earned for the program was 12.8, and for the college was 13 credit hours. And the percentage of attempt over earned here is 98%, and for the college is 97.7. Going down here, we show you how many credit hours the student attempt in order to graduate. And the graduation here we have 147 credit hours they need to graduate. And on average, for the student graduated in 1920, they attempt 155 credit hours. So they attempt 155 credit hours in order to receive 147 credit hours to graduate. So you can see here is the extra credit hour attempt. So on average for 1920, the student attempt 8 more credit hours in order to graduate. And for average in the college is 7.6. And here's the average for the college in 1819 was 5.7. The 75 percentile for the university last year was 11.4. So students attempt on average 11.4 credit hours more in order to graduate. When we look at the percentage, is 6% more credit hours they attempt in order to get graduated. The average, the 75 percentile for the university is 9.2, and the college average is 5%. Next tab is student satisfaction. Student satisfaction is based on the X survey the Office of Institutional Effectiveness run at the end of each semester. Here is the aggregated value for the year, and you can see that the satisfaction with the faculty, with curriculum, with resources, and overall satisfaction. If you need the details about the satisfaction survey, you can click on this link. Last but not least, of course, the learning outcome assessment. Here you see the 7 learning outcome assessments the program assessed in last year, and you can see that all of them are above the 70% threshold. You can see also the program has 7 remedial actions still new, 6 of them are in progress, 0 are implemented, and 1 is closed. In next video, we'll talk about the performance indicator related to course offering. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.